If you're getting an MSN email error message and you can't sign in properly, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple fix that works on Windows 10 and Windows 11. A lot of older MSN and MSN Messenger related sign-in problems come down to two things: your internet option security settings and your computer clock being out of sync. So we're going to fix both step by step. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, we're going to open Internet Options because classic MSN and older Microsoft sign-in components still rely on the legacy Windows Internet Options framework to establish a secure connection. To do that, open your Windows Start menu, type Internet Options, and click the result to open it. Once the Internet Properties window appears, go to the Advanced tab. This is where the security protocol settings are stored. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list because the options we need are near the end. Now carefully check the boxes for TLS 1.0, TLS 1.1, TLS 1.2, SSL 2.0, and SSL 3.0. These settings can help older MSN services complete the secure handshake they need to sign in properly. After you've selected those options, click Apply to save the changes, then restart your computer before trying again. Restarting is important because it gives Windows a chance to reload the updated security settings completely. Once your PC is back on, try signing in again and see if the error message is gone. If you're still having trouble, the next thing to check is your system clock. Old MSN architecture can use timestamp security tokens to verify data packets, so if your time is even a little bit off, the server handshake can fail right away. This is a very common cause of login issues, and it's easy to fix. To do that, right-click the clock on your desktop taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time. In the Date and Time settings, look for the section labeled Synchronize Your Clock. Under that section, click Sync Now to force an atomic time update. This will make sure your computer is using the correct current time and date. After syncing, give it a moment to finish, then try signing in again. In many cases, these two steps together are enough to fix the MSN email error message and restore a successful login. If the problem is fixed, that's great. If not, double check that your selected security protocols were actually saved, and make sure Windows is fully updated as well. Sometimes even small system setting issues can affect older Microsoft services. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.